This is Cicada take 2.
I'm not ready yet. Oh goodness. Alright. So, I posted a video response a little while, or a couple days ago, meeting a cicada, but it was a lot smaller than this, and you couldn't really see it in the video. So I'm gonna eat this one. This one's a lot scarier though. I have some honey to put on it. Oh wait, we need to get a paper towel, so I'm gonna psych myself up some.
You gotta eat a cicada. You gotta eat a cicada. That's a big cicada.
Oh goodness. Alright, I'm gonna pull the wings off first because last time I ate those were the biggest problem for me. That is so nasty. Sorry, I know this hurts.
You think that hurts? Oh.
It won't come off. I'm sorry.
Oh, this is just sad. Oh,
We're gonna get arrested by PETA.
oh
Oh!
Just eat it, Ronnie.
I gotta pull the other wing off.
Just eat it.
No.
Why would you get arrested by PETA?
no. Hannah.
Don't film this. This is gruesome. Sorry.
A little
I hate it
gruesome
too.
time later. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Poor thing.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Just tell him it's no big deal compared to what's to come.
It's no big deal compared to what's
Ronnie,
Okay.
are you about to cry?
I'm not ready. I'm not ready to eat this one.
You don't have to eat it.
I have to eat it.
You tore its wings off. It'll be an outcast.
You do, you have to eat it
You're gonna vomit.
Just take this.
It'll make you feel better.
Honey-coated live cicada.
Yeah, just smother that on yourself.
That is just disgusting. Oh my gosh.
1 cicada, 2 cicada, 3 little cicadas. 1 big, 2 big, 3 big cicadas.
You're okay.
7 big, 8
Here, I'll
big,
just
9 big cicadas, 10 big cicadas, 2 weeks.
Put that on your wound. It'll make you feel better.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Who will go and eat all of them? Who will go and eat all of them?
Alex, no time
Alright.
for this.
There's not going to be any honey left on it, son. It's all dripping off. Just do it.
I need time. I'm trying to buy time.
Eat it.
Wasting my video.
Okay. All right. I have to swallow it, right?
I think so.
Okay.
I think it's huge.
You'd be doing this if you were gonna eat a cicada.
I said it's huge.
Oh, I thought you said saying something about what I was doing. All right. You have no idea how many butterflies I have in my stomach. I'm stuffed.
Well, you're not gonna have butterflies in there. You're gonna have a cicada in there.
I already stuffed myself with butterflies. It smells a lot better to eat. Am I allowed to wash it down? Like, eat it and then wash it down
You
with
have
water?
to chew it up, I think.
I
You
can't
definitely
drink.
need to chew it up. You don't want to just.
Yeah,
Oh, I know,
thing
but-
crawling around your stomach.
Am I allowed to put water in my mouth as I'm chewing it up?
Ew, that's disgusting.
I don't think there's any rules. Well, I don't know. I would say at least you want to bite it so it's not going to be still alive while you're trying to put water in and it flies out. Well, it can't fly. You took its wings off.
Walks out.
Can I take its legs off too?
No,
No.
just eat it.
The legs are pointy.
Eat it.
But chew them up.
You're the one that said you wanted to do this.
Eat it. Eat
Okay.
it. Eat it.
It's entirely up to you. You don't have to do that. We can throw it outside.
No!
All right.
That's torture.
Give it to Benny. Benny will eat it.
If I spit it out, we'll just stick with the other video I did.
No, we're submitting both videos.
If you spit it out and it starts going around all over the place, getting honey everywhere, you're going to be in trouble.
All right.
Just eat it. You said it doesn't taste that bad.
I'm not gonna lick my fingers.
That's hyperventilating.
My heart is like a
Going 90 nothing.
beating drum.
It's gonna be a 10-minute video.
That can cut it down some.
My heart's a beating drum.
Hold on. Yeah, just get some good close-ups of it. So.
All right, do it. Or
All
don't
right.
do it. It's up to you.
What?
Or don't do it. It's up to you.
You want to do it?
No.
You want to do it, Justin?
He'll be tortured by
Oh, now I'll pass. You go right ahead.
You? I'll take that as a no. Oh, quit doing that thing where you shake your back. Okay.
Mom, you have an urgent message.
I'm Ronald Moore from Bay Minette, Alabama, also known as the man your man could smell like, and I eat cicadas. See?
Crunchy. Does the honey help? More honey.
Oh, it's so good. so crunchy.
Oh my goodness.
Good stuff?
Okay, you need more honey? Here.
Just a spoonful of honey makes a cicada go down.
Hi.
Don't you dare throw up.
He's not going to throw up. He's got this.
And they taste good.
Obviously.
I love Red Link. Mythical show. Woo!
And he hates cicadas.
And you're still rolling?
Yay, cicada.
Yep.
Cicada eater.
Ronnie, your face is priceless.
Okay, there was
Yeah,
like this
we need-
moment where
we
it
need
was
wild honey.
just
And some bear skins.
Ah, there you go.
there was this moment of just I don't even know how to describe it. It was mushy on the inside and
An explosion in your mouth, I'm sure.
wasn't like an explosion, no. It was like mashed potatoes except a little bit less mashed.
Really? You would compare eating a cicada to mashed potatoes?
It didn't taste like mashed potatoes. The texture was like mashed potatoes.
Okay. I'm never making mashed potatoes again.
Do make
Never
mashed
making
potatoes.
mashed potatoes?
Do make mashed potatoes, Mother. I love them.
Mm-hmm.
How about mashed cicada?
I thought about doing that. I like mashing the cicada with something else to
You want
make
to
it.
get you another one?
No.
We could grill them or, you know.
No. Like skewers. Cicada bobs.
Buffalo wings, cicada wings.
Nope.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
All right. Yep. That's it. That's it. That's all I got. Go Rhett and Link. Y'all are great. Have a great time watching your show with my family. Bye.